against this encroaching tide of corruption. Transparency, the antidote to corruption, must be injected into the veins of our governments. The lack of transparency breeds an environment where corruption flourishes. Lord Acton sagely remarked, "Power tends to corrupt, and absolute power corrupts absolutely." To prevent this corrosion, we must ensure a system of checks and balances. We need a paradigm shift, open government data, public scrutiny of contracts, and clear mechanisms of accountability. Education too plays a pivotal role. Beyond the walls of the classroom, we need to instill ethical values in our youth. A morally conscious generation is our best hope for breaking the cycle of corruption. Education fosters a moral compass that inculcates values that deter individuals from the path of corruption. It always seems impossible until it's done, which implies that eradication of corruption is not a distant utopia. It is a pragmatic necessity for nation building. As we confront this formidable adversary, let us remember the cost, not just in dollars or rupees, but in dreams deferred, in opportunities denied, in trust betrayed. In the words of Franklin D. Roosevelt, we cannot always build a future for our youth, but we can build our youth for the future. So let us build a generation that rejects corruption, and in doing so, we build a nation that stands as a beacon of integrity and progress, and embrace this mission with unwavering resolve. And as we eliminate corruption, we ignite the spark of a brighter, more prosperous nation. Jai Hind. Thank you for your patient hearing. Don't have a good day.